Stop. Don't scroll. Let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever packed your bags, arrived at a beautiful new country, and then frozen like an ice cube because you were too scared to speak English?
Oh no! Jake, you are talking about me. That was my exact story 4 years ago when I landed in New York. I wanted to buy a simple bottle of water, but I looked at the shopkeeper and my mind went totally blank.
Really? A bottle of water? What did you do, Ale?
I just pointed at the water, gave him a big $100 bill, and ran away with my change. I didn't say a single word. I was so embarrassed.
Oh no, that is a classic travel nightmare. But guess what, guys? You don't need to run away from shopkeepers. Today, we are sharing the ultimate travel English guide for beginners.
Wow, I wish I had this guide 4 years ago. We are going to fix your airport, hotel, and tourist conversations today, so you can travel with a big smile.
Vocabulary. Frozen. Unable to move or speak because of fear or shock. I was frozen when the police officer stopped me. Blank. Empty. With nothing on it or in it. My mind went blank during the English test. Embarrassed. Feeling shy, uncomfortable, or ashamed. I felt embarrassed when I dropped my food on the floor. Okay, let's start at the very beginning of the journey. The airport. This is where most people get super nervous.
Yes, the passport control officer looks so serious. Their face is like stone. What do we say when they ask, "What is the purpose of your visit?"
Thinking. Don't try to say a long, complicated sentence. If you are there for a holiday, just say 2 words. For tourism.
For tourism? Oh, that is so simple. I always thought I had to say, "I am visiting this beautiful city to see the sights and enjoy my vacation."
No way. The officer doesn't want a story. They just want the facts. If you are visiting family, say, visiting family.
Wow, okay. What if they ask, "How long are you staying?"
Just give the number of days or weeks. For example, 2 weeks.
2 weeks. That's it? I can definitely do that.
Vocabulary. Purpose. The reason why you do something. The purpose of my trip is to learn English. Tourism. Traveling for pleasure or holiday. Tourism is very important for this beautiful island. Vacation. A holiday or period of time away from work or school. We are going to Italy for our summer vacation. Exactly. Now, let's move to the check-in desk before you get on the plane. The airline worker might ask for your passport and ticket.
Okay, I can hand them my passport, but then they ask that tricky question. Window or aisle?
Ah, they want to know where you want to sit on the airplane. Do you like looking outside, or do you like walking around easily?
I love looking at the clouds, so I want the seat next to the window.
Then you just say, "Window seat, please."
And if someone likes the other side, near the walking path, how do you pronounce that word?
It is pronounced aisle. The letter S is silent, so you say, "Aisle seat, please."
Oh, aisle. The S is sleeping. I didn't know that. Aisle seat, please. Vocabulary. Tricky. Difficult to do or understand. This grammar rule is very tricky for beginners. Aisle. A passage between rows of seats in a plane or church. Excuse me, can I get past you to walk down the aisle? Silent. Making no sound. Quiet. The B in the word comb is silent.
Perfect. Now imagine you land safely. You get your bags, you take a taxi to the hotel. Now you are standing at the hotel reception. What is the first thing you say?
I usually say, "Hello, my name is Ale. I paid for a room on the internet."
That is okay, but let's make it sound more natural. Say, "Hi, I have a reservation under the name Ale.
I have a reservation under the name Ale. Okay, I like that. It sounds very professional.
Then the receptionist will ask for your ID. They will give you the key card. But wait, you need to know about breakfast.
Oh, yes. Food is the most important part of travel. How do I ask if the breakfast is free?
You can ask, is breakfast included?
Is breakfast included? And if they say yes, I am very happy. But what if I can't find my room?
Just ask, where is the elevator? Or where are the stairs?
Where is the elevator? Simple and direct. I love it. Vocabulary. Reservation. An arrangement to keep a room or seat for you. I made a reservation at the restaurant for 8 p.m. Included. Contained as part of a whole. Tax is already included in the total price. Elevator. A machine that carries people up and down in a tall building. The elevator is broken, so we have to use the stairs.
Now you are out in the city. You are a tourist. You want to find the famous museum, but your phone has no internet. Oh no!
Oh no, that is a real emergency. No Google Maps. What do I do?
Don't panic. Find a local person, smile warmly, and say, "Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the museum?"
Excuse me, can you help me? That is a very polite start.
Yes, always start with "excuse me." It is like a magic key. Then use "where is the" for anything you need. Where is the restroom? Where is the train station?
Where is the restroom? I need to remember that one. Sometimes your stomach hurts after eating strange street food.
Exactly. And when you find a nice shop and want to buy a souvenir, how do you ask for the price?
That one I know. How much is this?
Perfect. How much is this? Short and sweet. Vocabulary. Emergency. A dangerous situation that needs immediate action. Please call the police. This is an emergency. Polite. Having good manners, respectful to others. It is polite to open the door for an old lady. Souvenir. Something you buy to remember a holiday. I bought a small model of the Eiffel Tower as a souvenir. Now, Ale, let's talk about the big picture. Motivation time. Why do people get so scared to travel using English?
Thinking. I think we are afraid of looking foolish. We think native speakers will judge our small mistakes.
But that is not true at all. When you travel, locals are just happy that you are trying to speak their language. They want to guide you.
Really? You don't get annoyed when a tourist speaks broken English to you?
Never. I actually think it is beautiful. It shows courage. Travel is about making connections, not passing a school exam.
Wow. Connections, not an exam. That makes me feel so relaxed. Mistakes are just part of the adventure.
Yes. If you say, "where train," instead of "where is the train station," the person will still point you to the train. You win. Vocabulary. Foolish. Silly or stupid. I felt foolish when I wore mismatched shoes to work. Judge. To form an opinion about someone. Don't judge a book by its cover. Adventure. An exciting and unusual experience. Moving to a new country is a big adventure. Let's do a quick natural recap of our travel lines. Ale, imagine you are at the airport check-in desk right now. What do you say for a seat near the window?
Window seat, please.
Great. You arrive at the hotel. What do you tell the receptionist?
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Ale.
And you are hungry in the morning. What do you ask?
Is breakfast included?
And finally, you are lost in the city street. How do you ask for help?
Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the train station?
Wow, look at you! You went from running away with a bottle of water to a total travel pro.
Yes, I feel so much more confident now, Jake. I am ready to book a ticket to London right now.
That's the spirit. To everyone watching at home, don't let fear stop you from seeing the world. English is just a tool to help you explore.
Yes, pack your bags, practice these short lines, and go have an amazing adventure.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us today on this episode.
We are so proud of your progress. Keep practicing and keep smiling.
Catch you later, travelers.
Bye-bye, everyone.